Hi guys, welcome to Halo Group's video on our vehicle GPS and fleet management tracking software. We specialize in the tracking of small vehicles, large vehicles and everything in between, as well as non-powered assets using battery-powered trackers. We mail devices anywhere in the world that can be self-installed by the user simply by plugging it into the vehicle. I want to show you today our fabulous software that is accessible via both your PC and your smartphone that enables you to get critical information about your vehicles and fleet very easily, including very accurate driver behavior information, which we have supplied to the motor insurance industry to enable them to price risk. Okay, so without further ado, let me get stuck into this. Here we have a live location of a vehicle at the moment. You can see it's in the countryside at home today. If I want to see a trip on this vehicle, I click on trips here, go to my calendar, select my date, range, and search for it. Okay, now I can extend the size of this box here, and I've got information on the vehicle I'm looking at, the duration of the journey, the distance of the journey, start location and time, the end location and time. So I'm going to look at this particular journey and start a 3D trip payback. Now that ties in with the journey that I'm looking at here on the iPhone, which I'm just bringing in so that you can get an idea of how the same journey looks on the two different platforms side by side. So you've got the option to view the journey either on Street View using 3D rendering of buildings in the area, or indeed on the map. So we're broadcasting to you today from Ireland. You can see this vehicle is down the south of the country. Okay, so you have critical information about exactly where the vehicle is at any time and how long the journey took in total and what point along the journey you are at this time. Clicking on Google Street View will give you the information on exactly the road it was on and allow you to easily orientate yourself. Clicking along the timeline speeds the journey so that you obviously don't have to take the entire period to run through the trip. Okay, so now over on the left here we have the phone, which is showing the same trip. If I can move through different trips here just by moving up and down. I'm just going to show you the same trip for easy comparison. So you have the start time of the trip, the location, the finish time, number of driver exceptions. So this is a driver behavior item. You have the duration of the trip, and you have the distance of the trip. Clicking on the map here shows you the exact route that was taken. You have any braking events if they took place are represented here, acceleration events, of which there were 2 in this journey shown here, and the maximum speed. Clicking on this icon here switches us to satellite imaging. You can see we have a black icon here, a green icon, and 2 reds. The green is the start, the black is the finish. The 2 reds indicate a driver behavior exception on that location. If you tap on the red icon, it'll tell you what it was. Indeed, there were 2 excessive accelerations which match up to this number here. In terms of driver behavior information, you also have a representation of the actual speed limit in this area coupled to the speed of the vehicle on the PC. Back to the app now. You have notifications at the bottom. That allows you to see exactly what notifications have occurred on this vehicle over the period, and you can click on any one of these and see exactly where the event took place, and then have words with your driver to try and improve driver behavior so that you lessen the likelihood of an accident taking place. Score access here at the bottom brings up the driver's score between 1 and 100, 100 being excellent, 1 being terrible. So this driver is a little bit better than average. This allows you to compare different drivers across a period of time and see who are performing well and who are performing badly. You have max speed, exceptions, distance and time here, as well as your live location. That about gives you a good idea of what our vehicle GPS tracking software will do for you. Give us a call on email at info@halogp.com, or check us out on the web at halogp.com. Thanks for watching. Catch up again.